Hello, fellow educators. Nice to meet you again. Today we're diving into a fantastic teaching method known as shape cutouts. It's a hands-on approach that brings math and symmetry to life for your elementary classroom. Get ready to see how it works wonders for teaching symmetry and area. And don't forget to grab those cutouts for an exciting activity that gets kids creating and exploring at the same time. Let's get started. The shape cutouts method is perfect for elementary classrooms because it caters to visual and interactive learning styles. Kids learn best when they can see and touch what they're learning about. This method makes math fun and engaging for young learners. By using cutouts, kids can manipulate shapes and patterns, which helps them understand abstract concepts like symmetry and area. The best part, it's adaptable for different grade levels and learning needs. Whether you're teaching in person or online, shape cutouts can bring math to life. So let's dive in and see how you can use this versatile method to engage your students and make math an exciting adventure. Now that we know why shape cutouts is so great for elementary students, let's see how you can use it in your classroom. Start by gathering your materials. You'll need construction paper, scissors, glue, markers, and most importantly, your students' active participation. Explain to your students that they're going to create symmetrical shapes and patterns using the construction paper cutouts. To introduce the concept of symmetry, show your students examples of symmetrical shapes and patterns, such as butterflies, snowflakes, and human faces. Then divide the class into small groups or pairs. Each group will receive a set of cutouts in various shapes and sizes. Challenge each group to arrange their cutouts to form symmetrical shapes and patterns. They can use different colors and textures of construction paper to create unique designs. Encourage students to work together, communicate their ideas, and be creative with their arrangements. As they complete their projects, have each group share their symmetrical creations with the class, explaining how they achieved symmetry in their designs. This collaborative activity not only reinforces the concept of symmetry, but also promotes teamwork and communication skills. For assessment, observe students as they work and ask questions to check for understanding. You can also have them write a few sentences about their experience creating symmetrical shapes and patterns. Another way to use shape cutouts is to teach area. Begin by reviewing basic shapes like squares, rectangles, and triangles with your students. Then introduce the concept of area as the amount of space inside a shape. Show examples of shapes with different areas, helping students visualize the difference. Provide each student or group with a set of shape cutouts and have them arrange them to form a larger composite shape. They can use a variety of shapes and calculate the area of each individual shape. Then challenge them to find the total area of the composite shape by adding up the areas of the individual shapes. This activity helps students develop a deeper understanding of area while also reinforcing basic addition skills. To assess student learning, ask them to explain their process for finding the total area of the composite shape. You can also have them draw and label the individual shapes within their composite shape, writing the area of each shape and the overall composite shape. Remember to make the activity age-appropriate and engaging. For younger students, focus on basic shapes and simple patterns. For older students, provide more complex shapes and challenge them to create intricate designs or tessellations. Encourage students to use their creativity and have fun with the activity. Incorporate student input by giving them choices in the shapes, colors, and patterns they use. This will help them feel ownership over their learning and increase their engagement. Use colorful, tactile materials or visual aids to reinforce concepts and make them more memorable. For example, you can use pattern blocks or shape sorting mats to help students visualize symmetry or area. Provide opportunities for students to reflect on their learning and the strategies they use to create symmetrical shapes or calculate areas. This can be done through discussions, exit tickets, or written reflections. Differentiate instruction by providing modifications and extensions for students who need additional support or enrichment. For example, You could provide pre-cut shapes for students who are struggling or allow advanced students to explore more complex shapes and patterns. And there you have it. The Shape Cutouts method is a fantastic tool for bringing math to life in your elementary classroom. By using cutouts, you can make learning about symmetry an area fun, engaging, and memorable for your students. So grab those cutouts and let your students explore the wonderful world of math. Thanks for watching.